Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and welcome back to Mini Block Monday. Today we are going to learn how to piece this beautiful star puzzle block. For this block, you will need 8 1 3/4 inch squares in a dark fabric color and 8 1 3/4 inch squares in a light fabric color. Our star puzzle block is entirely created with half square triangles. To make this unit, first stack your fabrics in sets of 2, right sides together. As you can see, my fabrics don't really have a right and wrong side, but if yours do, make sure that they are right sides together. And then line up your ruler so it's running from corner to corner and mark a diagonal line. You're going to take this to your machine and stitch exactly 1/4 inch to both sides of that line. Here's what it looks like when you get that stitched. Now we're going to cut our half square triangles apart just by trimming right along that marked line. Now press your seam allowances open and your half square triangles nice and flat. Now this is the key to making this unit, and that is to trim this down to measure exactly 1 1/4 inches square. Now you can find a much more detailed tutorial on making half square triangles on my website at leahday.com/HST. Take your time creating a total of 16 half square triangles and cutting them down to the correct size. Then arrange them according to this pattern in rows of 4 units. You're going to piece these together right across, then piece the rows together, carefully matching these seams. And here's what it looks like whenever you finish your star puzzle block. This should measure 3.5 inches at this point, and if you piece it to other blocks, it will measure 3 inches square. Now this month I made something super cute with my mini blocks, an Easter basket. I absolutely love this. And as you can see, I have filled mine with over a pound of Reese cups, so it can definitely hold its weight in candy. Now, if you'd like to find this pattern and make an Easter basket, or several, because I know that these are super addictive, and once you make one, you're gonna wanna make a million of them, come and find the pattern at leahday.com/basket, and includes step-by-step instructions for how to frame your mini blocks, how to do 3D YP seams, how to quilt with some foam. It's really a detailed pattern to guide you through making this project step by step. So come and check that out at leahday.com/basket. And while you're online, please give my video a like, a thumbs up, post a comment in the comment section below, and share my videos. That helps me out the most because it lets everyone know that you enjoyed this tutorial, you learned something from it, and that helps me continue making more videos too. So I hope that you enjoyed learning how to piece this quilt block with me, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next Mini Block Monday. Until next time, let's go quilt!